The structure you see here is a latrine block that serves over 120 students of New Hope SS, both boys and girls, including 28 teenage mothers. That is why, as Rotaract Club of Jinja, we decided to intervene specifically to provide a safe and hygienic latrine block at New Hope SS. My name is Vincent Onyango, the president of the Rotaract Club of Jinja, and I'm here today to give you an update about the project that we started a month ago. This particular project started off with excavation process, followed by casting of the slab, and this has only been possible because of the support and contributions from you members, friends, and various partners. The next step is raising walls and roofing. And that's why I still call on your support, members, friends, and partners, so that we can have this project come to reality come November this year. I thank you all. Together, we can put a smile on New Hope SS.